get on to the video. So I'm filming a nighttime skincare routine. I'm literally filming this at 2 in the morning. I'm so tired. I just like over makeup today because I felt like it, because I got my period this week. So I just want to make myself feel better by making myself look good. Literally, I washed my hair and blow dried it, and she's so poofy. Well, Ollie's poofy, my definition of poofy. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. Alright, so just gonna go and look at my favorite all-time products. It's the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing oil. We always gotta start with the cleansing oil. Just do like 2 pumps. And let's take off the makeup. I'm literally so tired. I've been wanting to film this video for like ever. I have an excuse every time of why I didn't film it. It's because I'm too tired to film it. But you know what? I am trudging through this. I literally gotta take that off that mascara. I'm so tired. I'm so fucking tired. But I had a fun day today to go see my dad and my stepmom downtown because I live in the suburbs, and my dad lives in the city. It's been a while since I've seen him. I think I like saw him like pre-COVID because I've just been so busy with life. I miss him. Definitely miss my stepmom. She's like the best. She's the sweetest person in the whole entire world. Sorry if I'm whispering, my mom's sleeping, so you know. You can hear me. I have this cloth. I'm just gonna wipe off all the oil now with the cloth. I'm just gonna wet it first. Usually I put the cleansing oil on before I go and take a shower, and then I'll use my other moisture cleanser in the shower, sorry. But for the purpose of this video, I'm literally doing all these steps on camera so I can't take a shower because that would be inappropriate for YouTube. I have this like pimple right here on my forehead. It was literally flat yesterday. Like in a way, like I had a pimple there yesterday, but it wasn't sticking out. It was like an under the skin pimple yesterday. And I've been trying to like poke my breakouts less and less because apparently it's better for you to do that, to let them just grow out and like deal with it themselves. I have ADHD, so I do a lot of skin picking. And I've been trying to stop myself from doing that. But yeah, I think all this, it's off. Literally look at this. Makeup. I'm so tired. Do I look tired? Can you guys tell if I'm tired? Probably. You guys can probably tell. Kind of do like a writing video or film a video on me doing my makeup that I wore today because I got a lot of compliments on it. You know, I feel like it's really basic and there's nothing special about it, but somehow I got compliments on it. So so I would love to make a video on it so I could share it and create it for you guys, so you can, you know, do it, wear it, maybe you'll get compliments too. So next up I'm going with the Glossier Milky Jelly cleanser. I always do like an oil cleanser and then a like gentle milk cleanser after, which is what you're supposed to do apparently. I don't know much about skincare. Please don't come for me, dermatologists. Hello, we're back. So last time I filmed this video, my camera turned off and I didn't realize that. And I was really tired that night, so I didn't want to continue the video. So I'm here with my short hair because yes, I've cut my hair in between. Since I filmed the first half of this video and the second half, and I believe in my first half I cleaned my face with the... Yes, on the first half of the video, I cleaned my face with the Glossier Milky Jelly cleanser. I usually wash my face in the shower, but for the video I wanted to do it in front of the camera, but since I already... But yeah, so that happened. So I'm just going to show you that. So for toner, because I go in with toner next, it's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner that says hydrating and pore refining. There we go, focus. One of my coworkers actually recommended me this because my skin was like breaking out like crazy, and I was telling one of my coworkers about that. So they were like, you should try this, because I use it and it helps. So yeah, when I step out of the shower, that's what I put on next. Except I alternate. Some days I will put it on, other days I don't, but for the sake of this video, I am putting all my products I would put on at nighttime. My hair is wet, I have to put in mousse after. Maybe I'll just add into this video. My hair is wet. It's making the back of my shirt all wet. I'm just gonna do that really quick. I'm gonna scrunch in my ends while I wait for the toner to dry up. Let's get out all the water. Look at this. I'm literally soaking the back of my shirt. Ta-da! My hair's not that wavy. It has like, my hair has like an itty bitty baby wave, but it's not too wavy. It's like an itty bitty baby wave. Okay, so next, I'm literally running low on this. Right here, this is what I use next. I'm literally literally at the bottom of the bottle right now. I have another one I bought, and it's on there. So yeah, it's the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus BHA serum, and I just, ooh, it's a nice amount. And I put it on my fingers, and I put that over my face. I don't even know, I think you're supposed to pat serums in. I don't. I will rub them around. My Superman shirt. It's just a random t-shirt, baggy t-shirt, because I like to go to bed in baggy t-shirts. During the summer, I'll wear shorts underneath, but since it's kind of cold, I'm wearing pants. My Musco Cabert wear pants. And finally, literally at the bottom of the barrel for this too, I use the Dr. Jart Plus Ceramidin Skin Barriers Moisturizing the Ceramidin Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream by Dr. Jart. Yeah. I'm like literally, I'm gonna have to cut open the bottle for this. But first we're gonna tap and see if it comes out. so hold on. Let's do this. There we go. Some came out. And literally, I love this. It's so thick and hydrating. I first bought that product during the summer for like an everyday face cream, but I thought it was too thick for my, at least for my skin during the summer, because my skin gets really oily during summer. But it was too thick because during summer I need like a very thin moisturizer, and then during winter I need like a thicker moisturizer for the morning to keep my skin hydrated. And I bought it and I was like, oh, this is too thick, like I don't like this. And then I didn't really use it. I bought like a different moisturizer and then I didn't really use it. Then during the winter I was like, well, I'm running low on moisturizer and I have this. So I used it for my nighttime. And ever since then, I've loved it. At least for nighttime and winter time, because my skin gets really dry during the winter. My skin's really oily during the summer. So I feel like I have a combination sensitive skin too, because some products do break me out. So yeah, that is all. Pretty glowy skin. So we're just gonna put some stuff in my hair. Just borrowed this from my mom, because the lady who did my hair was like, oh, you should just put in mousse and then scrunch up your hair and let it air dry and it will look really nice with your hair, because I have naturally wavy hair. So look at that. So yeah, that is all for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great night or good morning wherever you are, or good afternoon. And yeah, bye.